Hey everyone, welcome back again to Deal Hunters. Today's video I'm doing is the 0 to 60 challenge. As you can see behind me, we have a lot of inventory that has just arrived. So we're going to get all of this packed up and shipped and into the car and off to Amazon tomorrow. There is a lot of stuff. We're actually going to go into here and you'll see boxes everywhere, absolutely everywhere, all over the place. There is a lot of inventory at the moment, which is good. It's a good problem to have. It's pretty much lots and lots of money, which is what I like. So we're going to get all this shipped in. It's going to take probably, look at the time, it's close to 4 o'clock, maybe about 2.5 hours to I'd say get 2 or 3 boxes. Now over here, if you can see behind this little tree, we have a lot of the deal sheet stuff, which is fantastic. Now I've just realized one of the orders I've got wrong. I've got these little things and I'm not really making any profit on them. It's the wrong type, so I'm gonna have to message the wholesaler about them. But the deal sheet stuff is there. Now there's some of these deals that have been on the deal sheet over the last week or two, which have been brilliant. The team has been fantastic. We took some time off to celebrate the Muslim celebrations. I was away to WrestleMania, as we said in one of the last videos, but so we all collectively kind of had like about a week off. But by God, the deals that we've been able to find in the last sort of 10 days has been brilliant. I bought, I think so like 60% of the deals suited me perfectly, and as you know, I'm picky with my deals. I don't necessarily need to buy every deal because I've got my other suppliers, so I'm only looking for the highest of ROI, the fantastic profit that you can get. They're the deals that I'm interested in. Some of them took pretty much over a week to arrive, which wasn't too bad, but they've all arrived. I've got a decent sized box, and then I knew this shipment was coming, so they're tiny enough items, some makeup products and stuff. So most of this is toys. I'm going to pack up 3 or 4 boxes, and then the top layer of every box will be from the deal sheet. And that's, I guess, a little bit of a tip for you when you're packing up, especially toys, because they're quite bulky. Think about packing heavier items in with that. So a lot of the toys are light, but they're bulky. What I try to do then, instead of packing up one box with all my deal sheet, all my makeup and all that, I would try to go right toy in all the boxes, and then I would try to do the heavier stuff. It helps you with weight, it helps you with not losing products, it makes it easier to count rather than bundling in say 300 units of makeup into one box. Your likelihood is then you're going to get miscounting by Amazon, because that's what they seem to always do, and then your box will be heavier. You'll be having to write the labels on the side, heavy box, all that. So try to think about, if I'm shipping in a load of different stuff, each box, how you're managing the weight. That's a bit of a tip for you. But yes, good day today as well. Might as well show you around the house. We had our estate agent coming out. I am moving premises. I will no longer be here probably in the next 3-4 months. Enjoy the last of the summer. But as you can see, the summer is nice. We've got a robot. Again, these are things that you should invest in. And the reason I invested in robots to do all the gardening is because when the robots are doing the gardening, I don't have to do the gardening. It's quite a substantial sized garden. That thing paid for itself. That was, I think, 400 quid. 2 hours, every 2 weeks. Over the whole summer month, you know, you can imagine that that's going to add up to quite a lot of times. That's probably about 40 hours worth of work. 40 hours worth of work, I can make that back. Now, bear in mind, I've had it 4 years, so that's 40 hours, probably more than 40 hours, 50 hours every year, 4 years. That's 200 hours of time I have saved. 200 hours of time that I can spend doing this crap. That's what you got to do. And for those who don't know, I've also got another YouTube channel. It's a stock investing channel where we talk about investments and different things, money saving tips, all that. Get at me on BHS DMV. Now I've took a bit of a step back on that channel, which I'm going to start ramping up very, very soon again, because I've been so focused on deal hunters and getting it up, the running, helping everyone in the course, members and stuff. If you're interested in the course or interested in the deal sheet or anything at all, click the link down below or get into the Discord, ask us some questions. Feel free to do that, or even just drop a comment underneath this video. But there's not just about setting up an Amazon site hustle. It's about sustainable business model. It's about not just getting a few things and flipping it and trying to find a bit of retail and find a good deal. While you can make a few quid doing that, what we're trying to do in this channel is show you how to build a lifestyle, a business, a mindset that will not only help you in the short term, but like it'll change your whole direction. So yeah, that's why Deal Hunters picked myself to join them, because they seen my stock investing channel, they seen the mentality, the hustles that I was trying to do, and they decided, listen, if you're going to start this journey, come with us, be our spokesperson, if you want to say that. Come on as director, and we'll get stuck in. And it's been great. We're mashing it up together. I think the subscribers, that the members and the groups and the people that are bought the wholesale course, I don't think there's anybody that would say bad about us. So that's testament to us. We're doing some good sponsorship videos now and stuff. It's just all snowballing, and it's a mindset, it's a mentality of not giving up. Don't let the negatives take you down, just keep on grinding, baby. So yes, that's enough about that. I just thought I'd drop a quick video. Gonna get all this packed up, and I'll come back to you towards the end just to let you know how much moolah I expect to make, because it's only when I source these things, I look and see what the profit is, but I don't tally it up. It's only now when I go, and this is the exciting bit, it's only now when I tally it and actually add it properly to Amazon and start to work out, oh, this is how much I'm going to make. I make sure that I'm making good ROI and profit on them, but it's only now I'm going to tot it up. So I'm excited. This is the fun bit of it. Hard bit getting it packed up, but once you've packed it up, then it's all straight smooth sailing from here on out. So yeah, I'll keep you posted, and I'll be back soon. All right, everyone, just coming back to you. Actually, this is the next day. Yesterday the sunshine came out, and what I was talking about in the other video, our hot tub. Well, what we did is, me and my daughter had fun yesterday. We just got in it and enjoyed the sunshine, and that's the good thing about Amazon. When you're your own boss, you can just decide at any given time to do something else. The boxes will always be there, they'll still need packed. But we got up this morning, jumped in the garage, we finished the boxes. So we got one done yesterday, which had about 62 units in it, mixture of different stuff. It was all the online deals, and also it actually took a lot longer because they're all individual. They weren't the wholesale order you were going through. You're updating your Profit Protector Pro, so it took a bit of time, probably about an hour and 10 minutes or an hour and 20 minutes to pack that one box. The next box then, first thing this morning, again, I was going them through all my wholesale stuff and opening up the boxes and trying to work out the count. So you'll see here, I have a load of stuff sitting there. I have all of these boxes unopened, but the inventory management side of things, I probably could do one more box, but I can't really be bothered. I'll do it in a few days' time. It's not going to be a big deal. I have one of everything at least going in with all this. What I've got here is another 70 units. So with about 120 in 2 boxes, you're thinking, God, if we've done that again, that's a lot of units. But no, in this I have 4, and in this one I have 5. Big oversized items, they can't go together, which is so annoying by Amazon, because I don't mind shipping in big items. It would be great if you could buff up the box with maybe, a load of small makeups, so you're at least still shipping in 60 or 70 units. But it is what it is. I've got these custom boxes that I get from my alloy wheel people. They just have all these spare boxes, so just around the corner from me, go collect them up. They're not ideal. They're good size, height and length, but the width, as you can see, they're size of a tire. So that's the last of the boxes. So I had this box, which I wouldn't have fitted into that box anyway, the 4 units, but I was able to make a makeshift box. So you can see here, just show you, but I just cut the box up, made it fit. So now I've got 4 in there. Otherwise I would have had them going in individually, and it was for £4 odds for UPS to collect 4 times. So yeah, that would have added up, where I've been able to get all the way with all that in one box for a £5. Each one of them though is a big unit, 23 quid profit per unit. So you're talking about 100 quid, not one box. Probably, so for 4 units, 100 quid, where these other boxes, you're packed up so much, and you're probably only going to get, maybe you'll only get about 200 quid per box, where that 4 units is getting me 100 quid. So really happy with all the units. Estimate would be say 100, 2, 3, 4, in and around about 450 to 500 quid profit, depending on where we're going for those 4 boxes. Today it took me about 2.5 hours, say an hour and a half yesterday, 3, 4. So like 4 hours again, 400 or 500 quid. Very nice, but there was a load of new items that I had to get from my wholesaler. Added them the infantry, Profit Protector Pro. That always takes a bit longer. When you're replenishing, it doesn't take that long because everything's already on the system. Your profits are all set, and that's why wholesale for me is the best business model over online arbitrage. Online arbitrage is great to get those deals, one-off deals, and maybe you can replenish some of them, but generally speaking, they're usually a clearance shelf or whatever, or a discount code online, and you can't replenish it as easy as you would like, which is a bit of a downside to it. But the good thing is with wholesale, usually it's just constant replenish. So once you've got them on, you found the deals, then you can replenish, and that's what I love about wholesale. So look, that's the video. Again, it's just showing you behind the scenes when I'm recording. I know I ramble on, but hopefully you're getting value. Hopefully you're getting to see what I'm doing. It isn't smoke and mirrors. We are actually doing this, and if you want to be a part of it, click the links down below. Join the free Discord, join the deal sheet, join the wholesale course. It's entirely up to yourself. You can sit about just thinking about doing things, or you can be active and get off your ass and go and do it and change your life today, so you can be sitting on the hot tub with your daughter instead of working the grind of a 9 to 5. See you in the next video. Peace.